the highly anticipated Moto Edge 50 Pro smartphone. Get ready as we uncover its remarkable features, specifications, and everything you need to know before its official launch. Let's kick things off with one of the most striking features of the Moto Edge 50 Pro, its triple camera setup. With a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 32-megapixel selfie camera, this phone is poised to capture stunning photos and videos effortlessly. Moving on to storage and performance, the Moto Edge 50 Pro doesn't disappoint. Offering 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage with UFS 3 support, it ensures smooth multitasking and ample storage space for all your files and apps. Powered by the Snapdragon 73 chipset, this phone delivers powerful performance, making it ideal for heavy gaming and multitasking. Feast your eyes on the gorgeous 6.72-inch curved AMOLED display of the Moto Edge 50 Pro. With IP64 water resistance, a refresh rate of 165 Hz, and a peak brightness of 1300 nits, this display offers an immersive viewing experience like no other. Plus, with support for 14 5G bands, you can stay connected at blazing fast speeds wherever you go. Additional features, beyond its impressive camera and performance, the Moto Edge 50 Pro boasts a range of additional features. From 5G connectivity and NFC support to dual SIM capability and in-display fingerprint sensor, this phone has it all. Phase unlock adds an extra layer of security, while the large 4600 mAh battery ensures long-lasting usage. And with super-fast wired charging and wireless charging support, you'll never have to worry about running out of power again. Now, the burning question, when can we get our hands on the Moto Edge 50 Pro, and how much will it cost? While the exact launch date is still under wraps, speculation suggests an April launch with a price range between 40,000 rupee to 50,000 rupees. However, it's essential to note that these details are based on rumors and subject to change upon the official announcement. The Moto Edge 50 Pro is shaping up to be a powerhouse smartphone with top-of-the-line features and performance. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gaming aficionado, or simply in need of a reliable everyday device, this phone has something for everyone. Stay tuned for our upcoming unboxing and full review video once the Moto Edge 50 Pro hits the shelves. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for the latest updates.